In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Telegram channels. If you've ever opened Telegram and wondered how to quickly discover channels that match your interests, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. We'll keep it simple, stick to the essentials, and add helpful tips so you feel confident finding great content. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. The process is the same across platforms, and it only takes a moment. Once Telegram is open, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar with the magnifying glass icon. Tap or click that search field to begin. Now type a keyword, a topic, or the exact channel name you're interested in. You can be broad, like technology or travel, or more specific, like Python tips or healthy recipes. If you know the exact channel name, enter it as precisely as possible. Using clear, specific keywords often returns better results, and adjusting your wording can help if your first search is too crowded or too general. As results load, pay attention to the sections. You might see categories like chats, channels, and sometimes global search. Depending on your device and your search, you may need to scroll to find the channels section. Global search shows results beyond your contacts and recent chats, which is especially useful when you're hunting for public channels you haven't interacted with before. When you spot a channel that looks promising, tap or click it to open the preview. Here, you can read the channel's description, check the number of members, and skim recent posts to see if the content and tone are what you want. Consistent posting, clear descriptions, and an active member count are helpful signs of a well-maintained channel. If you're looking for official sources, verify the name and description carefully to avoid lookalikes. If you like what you see, select Join Channel. You can always leave later if it isn't a good fit, and you can manage notifications to keep things quiet if the channel is very active. Muting a channel is a good way to follow updates without getting overwhelmed. Keep in mind that this method works best for public channels, especially well-known or popular ones. Private channels don't appear in search, so you'll need an invite link to access those. If a channel doesn't show up, it may simply be private or too new to appear in global results. That's it. Open Telegram, use the search bar, enter a keyword or channel name, browse the channels or global search results, preview the channel, and tap Join Channel. Happy exploring, and enjoy building a feed that inspires and informs you.